Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I have a tag video for you. This tag was created by Samantha March and she did it in collaboration with Jessica Braun. I'm sure you know both of their channels. I was watching Samantha's channel the other day and this came up in like a recommended video and I was like, why did I miss that one? Like, I love tag videos. I'm a YouTube creator. I love tags about YouTube. How have I never seen this before? So of course I watched it and I was like, oh my God, I have to do this right away. So here we are. Yeah, it was like yesterday that I watched it. All right, so this tag is all about your firsts on YouTube. Now I have been on YouTube now, it's coming up I think on my 3rd year. Or has it been 3 years? Oh my God, I can't even remember. Okay, I'm gonna have to look into when my first video was and I'm gonna notate it right here because I lose track of time. I'm the worst with time anyway. Like my best friend will tell you, she will talk about like things in high school and people and I'll be like, I don't know who that is. She's like, were you even there? Like, what is wrong with you? How come you don't remember any of this? I have bad memory, all right? But YouTube has been such a big part of my life in the last couple of years, and I think it's fun to look back in time and be a little nostalgic. So number one, what was the first YouTube video you watched? Okay, first of all, I'm sure that there were YouTube videos that I had seen, you know, children falling over and animals being cute, you know, on the internet. But the first time I actually like really searched out videos, I was looking for reviews on some products. So before I started my channel, I felt like I was in a real rut in my life and I was really considering cutting off all my hair. And I did. I actually cut off like 8 inches of hair. But before I cut it off, I ordered from Drybar the, what's it called? Their curling iron. I can't remember the name of it. I still have it. I still use it all the time. It's lasted so long. And I was looking up reviews on it and I went on Sephora and they had, you know, the company had created a video for it, but I was like, no, I want to see like real people's reviews. So I actually went to YouTube and started researching this curling iron. I was starting to get back into makeup because I hadn't really, you know, cared about makeup for like 10 years at that point. And I was starting to get back into makeup and I thought, I kept hearing about these like subscription boxes and I was like, oh, I should go like on YouTube and see like what's in these. I'm sure people like review them. And then I found all like the unboxing videos and I cannot remember who it would have been. But I just started watching like unboxings of, what was it? The Top Box was the Canadian one. And then there was Birchbox, I think. Does that one even still exist? I don't get any boxes anymore. Like nobody sends them to me. I don't buy them myself. So I don't know. But that is kind of how I got into YouTube. And then I started like, once I started doing makeup, I started actually searching out more and more makeup videos. And I will tell you this, I do remember Jaclyn Hill being like one of the first people I started watching as a person. Like I started being like, I want more of this girl. And I feel like Jaclyn Hill, especially a couple of years ago, I don't know, some people are kind of gone off her now. I still like her a lot. But especially a couple of years ago, like she was so down to earth relatable. Like the girl next door, you just want to be her best friend. Such a great teacher of makeup. And like she is one of the best teachers even now. Like she has not lost that, that's for sure. She is so good at teaching and I just fell in love with her and I just like couldn't get enough of her. I have free delivery from Uber Eats right now for the next 2 weeks and so McDonald's has like dollar drink days and I'm like, yeah, can I just get a drink? I'm waiting for my Uber Eats. I'm like keeping an eye out the window. I ordered a wrap too. I skipped lunch today. Okay, anyways, moving on. So the next question kind of ties into the first one, which was what was the first YouTube channel you subscribed to? And I'm going to say the same thing Samantha said in her video, which was that I didn't even realize like subscriptions were a thing. Like I didn't even understand how YouTube worked, that you could get an account. I thought you just went on and watched videos. So once I finally like clued in on how to do it, Jaclyn Hill was my first subscription and I just went through the history of her videos and just watched so many, like one after the other, and I couldn't wait for a new one to come out all the time. So Jaclyn was definitely my first subscription. Okay, number 3, what was your first YouTube made me buy it product? Let me tell you this, by the way, you know who has made me buy so many products? Jessica Braun. It's kind of funny that she like started this video with Samantha because I used to watch Jessica like when I started my channel. She was one of the people who like really inspired me to have a channel because she just did such great reviews. And I remember, I think I've told this before, like I remember being in the shower shaving my legs and being like, oh, this is how I would review this shaving lotion. Like this is how it feels. And like I could like see myself doing a YouTube channel and reviewing products, but it was all kind of based on Jessica and her channel. Okay, so my Uber Eats order came, like diving into that Diet Coke head first. All right, back to the question, which was, what is your first YouTube made me buy it product? I think it was the Your Skin But Better CC cream, because I know that I did a video on that, but then I'm thinking, but if I did a video on it, I must have bought other things before that, right? Like I must have. I know because of Jessica, I bought the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Mascara, and I know I bought Reserve Your Command because of her as well from Wet n Wild. So I'm not sure what the first was. It's got to be one of those though. Like those are my earliest memories of things I bought because of YouTube. The next question is, who was your first YouTube friend or creator you collaborated with? Okay, so I actually had to go back because I thought this was right and it is, but I couldn't remember exactly. So I did a video called Top 5 Skincare Products. I didn't even put collab in the title, like, and it's cringy. It's from November 2015. I don't even want to link to it, like it's cringy. But I did collab with Natasha from All About the Mommy. I don't even think she has a channel anymore. I think she kind of went a different way. She started a company with a subscription box, and I'm not really sure how that's doing. We kind of lost touch, but she was one of my first YouTube people that I knew. And I actually knew her before YouTube from a Facebook group. If you are still around from that Facebook group, let me know, because I would be very interested in hearing from you. Yeah, when I first started my channel, I got a lot of support from a Facebook group, a Canadian kind of makeup subscription box Facebook group. It was a really great group of girls, and I don't use Facebook at all anymore, so I'm hardly ever on there. But that was a fantastic group, and that's how I actually met her, but we have lost touch. But I will say this, I have met so many amazing people through YouTube now. Back in the beginning of my channel, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to like get to know people and get friendships from YouTube, and I feel like it took a while, but it eventually did come. And if you're a creator and you're hoping for the same thing, just hang in there. Just keep supporting other channels, keep reaching out to people through social media. That is how I've gotten to know a lot of people, just by saying hi through like Instagram, or how I've gotten to know people just from them commenting on my videos. Like how I met Alex was she would just comment on my videos, like, and we're like best makeup friends now. Like it's crazy. So it just happens. Like it does happen over time. So it's a really cool thing, but it does take some time. So next question is, what was the first YouTube video you watched today? And I actually have not even watched a YouTube video today. Normally I do. Like first things I do in the morning, get up, make a coffee, sit down, watch YouTube. Like that's how I just get into my day and start relaxing, or if I'm like putting on makeup. But because today is a filming day for me, I have been filming all day and literally have not done anything else. I watched Big Brother this morning. That's what I watched. But I will tell you, just so you have something to go on, I'll tell you what the first video I watched yesterday was. So the first video I watched yesterday was from Jenna Marbles. It was the I Let My Dogs Walk Me for a Day video. I love Jenna Marbles. She is like, she's so hilarious, number one. But number two, she's like an extension of the beauty community, because she does beauty videos, even though she's not like a beauty guru. She calls herself a YouTuber, which I love that she made that word up. It's like the best word ever. And I love the beauty videos that she does. Like I was never subscribed to her before until she did that video. Remember the 100 Layers challenge? Well, Jenna Marbles like just finished everybody with her video where she put on like 5 different things and 100 layers. If you have not seen that video, you have to just like exit out of this one right now and go watch it, because it is amazing. It is so hilarious. That's how I kind of found her channel, even though I knew she existed, but I never really like looked at anything before. But I found that video and I died laughing. It was the best 100 layers video ever. And I know lots of people did those videos, but hers was just the best. So anyway, she is still amazing. She's still so funny, and her dogs are great too. And the last question is, what is the first video on your watch later list? I use that watch later list all the time. I'm constantly adding things to watch later. Let's see how many videos I actually have on watch later. I'm 93. And okay, I'm not sure what she means by the first one, because it sorts it by how recent. So I'm gonna show you the newest one and the oldest one. So the newest one I have on here is from Miss Holly Berries. She just uploaded this, I think this morning or maybe yesterday. It's her empties. She has great empties, by the way. I love watching her empties. I'm gonna go scroll back to my actually, instead of scrolling, I can sort by oldest. And the oldest one on my watch later list, I really should get to this one because it looks great, from Samantha March. It's the My Favorite Brushes video. Yeah, I really need to go watch that. So those are my newest and my oldest. So that is it for the YouTube first tag. Thank you so much to Samantha March for creating this. I really love her channel. If I didn't say that in the beginning, just go watch it. She's fantastic. She puts out so much content. Actually, if you're a YouTube creator, another great video you can watch is the one she just put out on, I think it's called How to Grow on YouTube. It has some really great tips. Some of them I knew and some of them I didn't, but it actually got me like kind of motivated to do more videos lately. Like lately I've been working a lot and there's a lot going on in my life, but I have been churning out videos as much as possible because I'm just like, she got me like motivated to just start posting more videos again because she puts out like 5 or 6 a week. So yeah, go check that video out. It's a really great one. Lots of great information. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it for you. I hope that you really enjoyed watching it. I hope you're having a wonderful day, speaking to yourself kindly, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!